Hello, my name is Alex, and I am 20 years old. I am tall, with a height of 180 centimeters. I have short black hair, brown eyes, and a friendly smile. I live in a small but cozy house with my family in a peaceful town called Greenfield. Greenfield is surrounded by beautiful green hills, rivers, and forests. The air here is fresh, and the sky is clear at night, full of stars. It's the perfect place for someone like me, who enjoys quiet and simple living. My family is my biggest support and joy in life. My father, John, is 45 years old. He is a history teacher at Greenfield High School. He loves teaching about ancient civilizations, great leaders, and important events in history. Sometimes, he shares fascinating stories with us during dinner. My mother, Mary, is 42 years old and works as a nurse at Greenfield General Hospital. She has a kind heart and is always ready to help anyone in need. She often talks about her patients and how small acts of kindness can make a big difference. I also have a younger sister named Emma. Emma is 16 years old and still in high school. She is very talented at painting and drawing. Our living room walls are covered with her colorful artwork. Emma dreams of becoming a famous artist one day. She is always busy with her brushes and paints, creating something magical. Our house is simple but filled with love. It has 2 bedrooms, a small kitchen, a living room, and a beautiful garden. The garden is my favorite part of the house. My father grows vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers, while my mother takes care of the flowers. We even have a small apple tree. In summer, Emma and I often sit under the tree, talking about our dreams and the future. My daily life is quite organized. I wake up every day at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I enjoy breakfast with my family. My favorite breakfast is scrambled eggs, toast with butter, and a glass of milk. After breakfast, I head to Greenfield University, where I study computer science. I love learning about coding, programming languages, and creating software. My dream is to become a software engineer and create programs that help people. My classes start at 9 a.m. and finish at 4 p.m. During lunch breaks, I usually sit with my college friends. We eat together, share jokes, and talk about our future plans. After classes, I sometimes go to the library to study or work on assignments. I have 5 amazing friends, and each one is unique. They live in different cities and lead different lives. My first friend, Jake, lives in New York City. He is 21 years old and works as a chef in a famous restaurant. Jake loves cooking and is always experimenting with new recipes. He often tells me about life in New York, the busy streets, the tall buildings, and the delicious food. Jake dreams of opening his own restaurant someday, where he can serve dishes inspired by his travels. My second friend, Sophia, lives in Paris, France. Sophia is 20 years old and works as a photographer. She takes stunning pictures of landscapes, people, and events. Sophia loves Paris because of its rich culture, art, and history. She dreams of traveling to every corner of the world and capturing its beauty through her camera. My third friend, Ahmed, lives in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. He is 22 years old and works as a civil engineer. Ahmed designs modern buildings and bridges. He is passionate about creating structures that are both beautiful and strong. Ahmed's dream is to build a skyscraper that will be recognized worldwide. My fourth friend, Mia, lives in Tokyo, Japan. Mia is 19 years old and studies fashion design. She has a great sense of style and loves creating unique outfits. Mia dreams of starting her own clothing brand and showcasing her designs in fashion shows around the world. My fifth friend, Carlos, lives in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Carlos is 23 years old and works as a soccer coach. He trains young players and helps them improve their skills. Carlos is very passionate about soccer and dreams of coaching a famous team in the future. Even though my friends live far away, we stay connected through video calls and messages. We share stories about our lives, our cities, and our cultures. They inspire me to think big and work hard for my dreams. Greenfield, the town where I live, is small but full of charm. It has a big park where people go for walks, play games, or have picnics. There is a small lake where you can go fishing or enjoy the view. Every weekend, the town holds a farmer's market where you can buy fresh vegetables, fruits, and handmade crafts. My favorite part of Greenfield is the library. It is a quiet place with lots of books, and I spend hours there reading about history, science, and fiction. On weekends, I enjoy spending time with my family and friends. Sometimes, we go hiking in the nearby hills or have a barbecue in our garden. Other times, we play board games, watch movies, or bake cookies together. I also love playing the guitar and writing my own songs. Music helps me relax and express my feelings. I have many dreams for the future. My biggest dream is to become a successful software engineer. I want to create programs that solve real-world problems and make life easier for people. I also dream of traveling to different countries. I want to visit Paris, Tokyo, and Rio to see my friends and learn more about their cultures. My family has dreams too. My father wants to write a history book, and my mother hopes to open a small clinic. My sister dreams of becoming a famous artist and opening her own gallery. We all support each other and work hard to achieve our goals. Life in Greenfield is simple but full of happiness. I feel lucky to have a loving family, wonderful friends, and a beautiful home. I look forward to the future and hope to make all my dreams come true. Thank you for reading my story.